Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the exact site bulb model and required voltage so you don't damage the unit. Once done, power off and disconnect any batteries or mains, safety first. Next, put on gloves to keep oils off the glass and steady the item on a flat surface. This prevents slips while you work. Then, gently release any retaining clips or housings, exposing the bulb. Make sure to handle by the base, not the glass, because fingerprints and heat spots shorten bulb life. You insert the site bulb carefully into the socket, aligning pins or tabs so it seats fully. Poor contact causes flicker. Once seated, secure the housing or retaining clips. Tighten only until snug to avoid stress fractures. Then, reconnect power just long enough to verify illumination and check alignment of the site or beam. Adjust the bulb position slightly if the hotspot is off-center. Make small adjustments, because large shifts change beam shape. When alignment looks correct, you reassemble the housing and fasteners, making sure seals, gaskets, or O-rings are in place so moisture won't enter. Once assembled, power up and run a complete function test for several minutes to confirm stability and correct brightness under normal conditions. If you encounter flicker, dim output, or no light, first power down and recheck the socket contacts and wiring, then try a known good replacement bulb and measure supply voltage. If problems persist, consult the device manual or a qualified technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.